Now, going, as you say, back into the idea of ancient times, there was the indigenous, naturally evolving hominid species that grew up on Earth naturally. And there was a time when beings from other realities, other civilizations, did cause some of what you call energetic and genetic manipulation of that naturally occurring hominid that existed on the Earth. And in so interjecting and introducing certain extraterrestrial and other dimensional genetic strains did bring about the idea of what you now recognize yourselves to be as human being. What you call a Homo sapien. And the Homo sapien on your planet, after many different kinds of incarnational lifetimes, did allow itself to expand and explore the idea of creating civilizations that were similar to the galactic civilizations with whom they were interacting, and thus brought about some of the first and earliest civilizations on your planet, that which you call now in your faded memories the idea of Shambhala, the ideas of Lemuria or Mu, the ideas of Atlantis, or in its original name, Aztlan. The idea being that as these civilizations were formed, each had a specific relationship to the vibration of the Earth in a very different way than what you experience now on your planet. The idea of the ancient Shambhala in what you call the ancient Gobi Desert now was actually a lush paradise at that time, and was formed as a center of learning, a center of spiritual growth, to aid and assist the Homo sapien in refining their vibration to a very high level. And they learned through these techniques of meditation and so forth, where this was first formed, many different ideas that were downloaded from higher levels, higher planes, what you may even call the idea of source or Akashic records. In that sense, they were a very learned society. But the idea also is that they knew things would change as they expanded out over the world. There were also other extraterrestrial infusions from time to time, what you may call interbreedings, and again the creation of certain genetic lines on your planet that would be for the purpose of aiding and assisting the Homo sapien in vibrationally connecting to its higher self. But being what it is, Earth goes through cycles, and there have been many of what you call cataclysms on the Earth that many times have wiped the slate almost clean of a variety of civilizations to begin from a different point, to begin from a different perspective.